We started at qualifiers last year and we managed to get through to the national finals.
And then won gold. So obviously we're very pleased with that.
We're now in the international squad, training to hopefully get to go to Shanghai in 2026.
It's quite high intense training, lots of long stints of 3-4 hours, a lot of time pressure obviously within that to get everything done, get it all right, make sure it all works faster than everybody else.
It is really intense whilst you're in the competition environment. It pushes you to your limits whilst you're doing it.
We kind of take that back into work with the fault finding side of things.
The chemical treatment plant, everything on there is all controlled by sensors and timers and different components that we also use in WorldSkills. So if there's a breakdown in the shop, if any equipment breaks or anything isn't right, we get called to it to go and fix it.
We're always there to keep the line running, keep everything going. You're investigating into what the cause of the issue is.
Where something went wrong, why it went wrong, and being able to fix that. WorldSkills opens up a lot of doors. The actual skills and the personal development you get for it is insane.